Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and today is Friday. As we all know, Fridays have been crazy for the last couple of months. So today you need to be extra careful. So this is the quote of the day, my dear friend. Fry food, not your account. Yes, we have seen in the last few weeks that when the US session, US session starts on Friday, market gets crazy, market doesn't respect any levels, so please be careful. If you see the market is not following technicals, just go with the flow or just stop your trading. Okay, you are a trader, that doesn't mean that you need to trade all the time. We are traders, we are not gamblers. We don't need to double triple our capital during the high volatile market. Market will give us plenty of opportunities when the situation is normal. Please follow. Okay, fry food, not your account. Now let's lock not lock now let's look at the chart of gold. So right now gold is trading around 2493. Yesterday we discussed about a possible downside on the chart of gold. We also discussed that as the overall trend has been bullish, there should not be a trend reversal, and we can see that yes, the drop came, market came to a support, but market was extremely volatile, so we did not get pinpoint accuracy, but still our support of 2480 2475 did the job. After taking support, market is trying to go up right now. And if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold pulls back on rising dollar and yields. Gold prices fell over 1% to below 2490 per ounce on Thursday, pressured by a stronger dollar and rising treasury yields, while investors took the opportunity to lock in profits following recent record highs. Okay, so this is the market sentiment. And if you look at the economic calendar today, we can see that the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell coming up, but before that only, okay, we have the new home sales. Not a big event, but still the US session will be volatile. Beginners, be careful. And yeah, I forgot, my dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. Okay, if you're interested, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop. Okay, I will not discuss right now. Okay, you will find all the details at the end of the video where I have explained and shown everything. This time I brought some changes here. I changed some topics, and we have a special session for Indians, okay, where we'll be discussing how to trade forex from India, because it's a very debatable topic. We cannot discuss everything publicly, so we will have a special session, and you'll be getting many things, okay, like the calculator, trade plan, etc. Okay, you'll find all the details at the end of the video. This is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and these are the trading opportunities in front of us for the day. So overall the market is bullish, there is no doubt about it, but at this moment we can see that gold is okay, little down because the market structure is not positive, that we already discussed yesterday. So in this type of market structure, okay, what we can expect is we can expect that market will be showing further correction. So see, this downside means a correction on the higher time frame. Okay, so as a day trader, what we can do is, okay, we can follow the present trend of the market. But if you're a positional trader, if you are planning to sit on a trade for next couple of weeks and months, then obviously you need to follow the overall trend, respect the overall trend, and you need to be on the buy only. But if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, then it is better for you to follow the current trend of the market. And we can see the market is still following the lower highs here. So obviously there will be some pressure on the market, at least till the US session. So during the day, if market shows a big drop, for example, yesterday we saw a big drop in the market. So today also, if we get to see a big drop in the market, what you can do is you can look for a sell position below 2471, means the low made by the market. Below this low you can look for a sell position. Okay, and if the sell continues, okay, then you can look for a buy around 24. So yeah, 24, sorry, levels are changing so fast, I'm getting confused. Okay, 2454 to 50, okay, this one. And the second support on the chart of gold is around 2437 to 2435. Okay, these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if a drop comes. And if heavy selling comes, we can look for a sell below 2471. Again, I'm explaining why we can look for a sell below 2471, because the market structure is not positive. It will be better for us to go for a sell after the US session. And why we are looking for buy, let me show you. Okay, for that we need to go to the 4S time frame. You can see this is the 4S chart of gold in front of us, my dear friend. And at 2450 area, you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level plus the 100 moving average coming up. Around 2437 2435 area, we have previous support plus FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and along with that we have the 200 moving average coming up. So these are two levels where we can look for a support during US session as well. Okay. And if market goes up, then yes, we can look for some selling opportunities as well. The best selling opportunity seems to be around 2518, 2520, where we have the resistance here. Then we have another selling opportunity around 2508, 2510. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trader, and try to avoid holding your position on the chart of gold. You can see when we are using FIBO, so along with our normal resistance here, we also have the additional confirmation or confluence from Fibonacci. Here we have FIBO 78.6, here we have FIBO 61.8. So overall, these levels seems to be good levels as a day trader. But as we all know, no level is permanent, my dear friend. So once market will hit the level, observe the market for 30 seconds, 40 seconds. No need to wait for the candle to close. Once you'll see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. Do not gamble. Do not trade blindly. And we have another level around 2501, 2502 around this area, because FIBO 50% retracement level plus previous support will be working as resistance. We also have the moving averages, so this is also a good level. But I think 2501, 2503 will not work during the US session. Okay, so be careful. But these levels may work during the US session, and these should work. Anyways, today is Friday, crazy day, so please be careful. My dear friends, I am very happy to announce that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 7 days workshop, and the workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. So the workshop is not for complete beginners. You can see I have divided the classes into two parts. At first, we will be having 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions or classes. So these are the dates for the Hindi classes, and these are the dates for the English classes. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have also mentioned the duration. So in the first 3 consecutive classes, these are the topics that we will be discussing. No hanky panky, my dear friends, the core concept about market and trading. I'm not going to explain all the fair value gaps, no, the SMC and all. We will just try to understand the market as it is. On day one, we will focus on the mistakes that we make. How does the brokers and institutions manipulate the market? On day two, we will see how we can make money in the market. For that, we need to understand the functioning of the market. And day three is the most important, because nothing will work, okay, if we do not focus on market discipline, our own discipline, and market psychology. Okay, and my dear friends, you can see this time I have made some changes. You will also receive free risk management and discipline guide, free checklist that you need before any trade, lot size calculator. If you want to trade on prop firms, you're struggling with prop firms, then the actual lot size or proper lot size is very, very important or crucial. And trade plan for trending and sideways market. Okay, so you can see this is just an example. Okay, this is the calculator, these are the trade plans, so that you can follow in your trading journey. And after the 3 days consecutive class. Okay, there will be a special class for Indians, because in India forex trading is difficult. Okay, there are many problems. Okay, so we will have a special session where we will discuss about the problems, and we will try to discuss the solutions, because there are many things that I cannot disclose publicly or discuss publicly. So we will discuss everything. And my dear friend, the best part is that the 7 days workshop comes with also community access. We have a community on Telegram, and we also have a WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. This is just a glimpse of our WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. And during important events like NFP, CPI, we also have live events. We trade and we try to earn money as well. Okay, so we can see, okay, this is how it looks like. And this is our WhatsApp community where you will meet traders from all around the world. It's a lovely community, colorful community where you can post ideas, ask questions, and it's a very nice place to learn, because when I started trading, okay, I was very lonely. That's why I felt a need that at least there should be someone with whom we can share our feelings, because at the time of trading, okay, we traders pass through a lot of emotions. So my dear friends, the community can be very, very useful and helpful, okay, for interaction. And these are the topics of our weekly classes. I have chosen this topic carefully because in trading, okay, there is no end to learning. So it is not possible for a trader to learn everything. Trading is a continuous process. But to start our journey, okay, there are some core concepts, okay, that are very important for us. So if you learn this stuff, then you are good to go. So these are the topics that we will be discussing during our weekly sessions, and all the sessions are conducted via Google Meet. If you're unable to attend due to time difference, no need to worry, I record everything. Now the question is how to join the workshop. We all know trading is a journey. Trading takes time. Sometimes it takes months, sometimes it takes years. We all have struggle, isn't it? So I have three options here. If you're only interested with the workshop with 1 month support where you'll be getting regular market updates, analysis on WhatsApp, plus access to a Telegram community, then it's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. And if you're looking for personal sessions with me, support over WhatsApp, then you can consider semi-annual or lifetime support, especially for those people, okay, who are considering trading for their long term or their future plan. So in semi-annual, you'll be getting two personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions, and these are the benefits that you'll be receiving. In lifetime support, you'll be receiving six personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions, and lifetime WhatsApp support from my side. And what is the duration of these sessions? No need to worry. Okay, minimum 1 hour. And there are many days left for a workshop. You can join now also, nothing to worry. Okay, till the workshop, you'll be getting free updates, analysis from my side. Okay, I'll add you to the group. And these are the payment options here, my dear friends. You'll find all the options here. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. All the details are mentioned on the website, my dear friends. And if there is anything, okay, you can also check out the about me page, okay, where you will learn about my journey. Okay, you will understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Thank you.